In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim host on Zoom in just 5 minutes. Whether you're stepping into the role as the main host has left, or perhaps you need to take control temporarily, we'll go through these steps to ensure you can do this smoothly and efficiently. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into Zoom. You can do this using either your web browser or the Zoom application, depending on what's most convenient for you. It's crucial to make sure you're logged into your own Zoom account, as you'll need access to your host key later on. If you're using the app, all you have to do is open it and enter your credentials. For those using a browser, simply navigate to the Zoom website and log in from there. Once you're logged in, the next step is to join the Zoom meeting. You can do this by clicking on the meeting link you have received or entering the meeting ID if you have it. Make sure you're joining the correct meeting to avoid any confusion, and confirm that you're using the account from which you intend to claim host privileges. Now that you've successfully joined the meeting, take a look at the meeting controls, which are usually located at the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Participants. Clicking on this will open up a panel that lists everyone currently in the meeting. This is your next step, so go ahead and click on Participants. With the participant list in view, you'll need to check if the host has already joined or perhaps they've left. If the host has not started the meeting, or if you notice their absence, you'll see an option that says Claim Host. Select this option to proceed. At this point, Zoom will prompt you to enter the host key. The host key is a unique number associated with your account and can typically be found on your Zoom profile page. Enter the host key carefully, and once you have done so, click on Claim Host again. This step is crucial as it verifies that you have the authority to take over as the meeting host. Congratulations, you should now have host privileges. With these privileges, you can manage participants, start and stop recordings, and generally control the meeting environment to ensure everything runs smoothly. Being the host can often mean taking on more responsibility, so make sure you're familiar with these additional tools and options. And that's it. You've learned how to claim host on Zoom in just a few simple steps. This can be a valuable skill whether you're stepping in during an unexpected absence or managing meetings regularly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy hosting.